Hello and welcome to this tutorial video on the report screen for AirMagnet Wi-Fi Analyzer Pro. AirMagnet Wi-Fi Analyzer Pro automatically converts data it's captured on your network into a variety of network data reports. The report screen not only allows you to run standard network data reports, but it also provides the tools necessary to customize reports for your needs. You can navigate to the report screen by clicking on the button at the bottom or dragging up the control pane and clicking on the Reports button. The report screen is split into two main areas. On the left-hand side are the various report books that allow me to generate a report. On the right-hand side, I have a viewing pane to view the reports I've created. Existing default books can be found in the upper left-hand part of the report screen. This list has all the reports that AirMagnet Wi-Fi Analyzer Pro can automatically generate. The reports are arranged and grouped in the same logical groupings as the screens within Wi-Fi Analyzer Pro. This includes the start screen, channel, interference, infrastructure, alarms from Airwise, charts, and compliance. The right-hand side of the screen allows me to view the reports I've chosen. I can use the controls at the top to change pages. The bottom left has custom books. This is where I can create my own report, including specifically the information that I want. To create a custom book, right-click in the Custom Book section and click New Book. Make your entries and selections as desired, then click OK. My new custom book now appears in the Custom Book section. To add data into my custom book, I will add individualized reports to it. I can do this in a couple of ways. If I already have a report open on my viewer and would like to add that into one of my existing custom books, I can highlight the custom book I'd like to move this report into and then click the Add to Book button in the top right-hand corner. I can also add my default reports to a book by clicking on a report in the default section and dragging and dropping it into my custom book. If I would like to further customize how a report appears in my custom book, I can right-click on my custom book and choose New Report. Now I can choose the particular report type that I want. Note that different reports that I choose will allow for different customization options. Customization options will show up once a report has been chosen. Once I've chosen what report I want as well as any customization options, I can click OK. I can print any of my reports or custom books directly by either clicking on the print icon in the viewing screen or by right-clicking and selecting print. I can also export the report to either PDF, HTML, Microsoft Word, or XML formats. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for choosing AirMagnet Wi-Fi Analyzer Pro.